Hello everyone! Let's move towards another activity. For this one, you may require the colorful sheet of the paper that's square in shape. After that, you just have to fold it in the different shapes and you just have to make a square shape out of it. Once the square shape is ready, you just have to again fold it, create a smaller square as shown here. Then you just have to fold the edges again and you have to create again much smaller square as compared to bigger one. In short, we are saying that you just have to make the squares of the three tires and then you have to create some more creases out of it. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9 years. Just create the creases and your work will be done. It will look perfectly nice and easy. This type of the activity is very easy. It's little bit time consuming and you can definitely give it a try. You just have to make use of your hands so that you can open the leftover shades and then place them in a perfectly manner using your hands and the fingers. This is going to rock and you are going to make this beautiful flower inspired paper origami. It looks so nice and easy at the end. Just fold the petals that we have created using the old refill. It looks quite good. Then you just have to add some more features like the stalk and the leaves. Let's move further with another activity. Here again we are going to show you some different types of the flowers that you can create out of some colorful sheets of the paper. I am taking the square sheet paper and see how I am just folding it. If I will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is medium difficult. You just have to make use of the scissors and the glue stick also for creating this. Now let's move further. We are going to show you how we can create this yellow colored flower. For this I am first taking this white sheet of the paper and I am just folding it, and once the folds are ready you may require a glue stick or a glue gun for pasting them one after the another. Glue stick is easier and you just use that one only. After that you just have to fold and make a crease from the petal area, from the corners of the petal. For this I am making use of this empty refill. You can even make use of the pencil or any cylindrical object. After that I am taking this yellow colored small sheet and I am creating a tassels type look out of it. Once the tassels are ready, you just have to roll it over this stick that's going to act like the stalk for this type of the flower. Difficulty level is very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Let's now move further with another activity. Here I am taking this square sheet, colorful sheet of the paper. I am just folding it, making some of the creases out of it. Once the creases are ready, you just have to again open it and then fold it again. This type of the activity is very simple and very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You just have to remain focused so that you don't skip any important step. If one step is skipped, you can't move further. Your whole activity is ruined. So stay focused, pause the video, repeatedly watch it. You just have to follow the each step in a sequential manner so that you don't get confused and you will try to make this paper origami flower inspired thing perfectly. Once you are done with it, you just have to open it. While you're opening the creases, you have to remain careful so that you don't just cut the paper because the paper is delicate here. Thank you.